Hey there, gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're cutting straight to the chase and talking about something that every bearded man needs to know about: beard balms. Now, we're not here to beat around the bush. We know you want your beard to look its best without spending hours on it. So, we've done the legwork and are going to break down the top beard balms on the market. Whether you're sporting a full Viking beard or just some stylish stubble, stick around. We're not just listing products. We're giving you the real deal on what works and what doesn't. And at the end, we'll reveal our top pick, the balm that stands out from the rest. So, let's get into it. Before we dive into our beard balm roundup, let's nail down some beard care fundamentals. Trust me, getting these right makes a world of difference. First, cleanliness. Your beard is a trap for dust, food, and who knows what else. Use a dedicated beard wash. Your face isn't the same as your scalp, and neither is the hair. Regular shampoos, they can strip away natural oils your beard desperately needs. A good beard wash will clean without drying out your skin or hair. Second, drying technique. You might be in a rush, but here's the thing. Rubbing your beard like you're drying a dog is a one-way ticket to Damage Town. Be gentle. Pat it dry to avoid breakage and frizz. Treat it like the prized possession it is. Third, detangle and train. A good comb or brush isn't just for style, it's for beard health. It distributes oils, keeps the hair from tangling, and trains your beard to grow in the right direction. No excuses here. A couple of minutes a day is enough, but be consistent. And lastly, hydration and nourishment. This is where beard balms are a game changer. They're not just for looks. A quality balm will moisturize, soften, and condition your beard and the skin underneath. It reduces itch, prevents dandruff, and gives your beard a neat, manageable look. Got all that? Good. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes a beard balm stand out. Our selection criteria. We didn't just pick these balms out of a hat. Here's what we looked for. First up, ingredients. We're talking quality here. Natural oils like jojoba, argan, or coconut oil. These are your beard's best friends. They nourish and condition without the nasty stuff like parabens or silicones. And let's not forget about butters like shea or cocoa for that deep moisturizing action. Next, hold. Your beard isn't just for show, it's got to stay in place. Whether you're after a light hold for a bit of shape or a strong hold to tame the wilder beards, the right balm can make all the difference. Scent is a big deal too. Some of you want to smell like a walk in the woods, others might prefer something subtle. We considered balms across the scent spectrum, so there's something for every nose. Then, we looked at texture and consistency. Nobody wants a greasy or heavy beard. The best balms are easy to apply, absorb well, and leave your beard feeling natural, not like you've dunked it in a vat of oil. We also considered skin sensitivity. A great balm should soothe and protect, not irritate. If you've got sensitive skin, don't worry, we've got you covered. Lastly, value. We all want the best bang for our buck. We weighed up the price against the quality and size to make sure you're getting a good deal. So, that's our checklist. Keep these in mind as we go through our top beard balm picks. And remember, these aren't just random selections. These are the balms that ticked all or most of the right boxes. Let's dive into our top beard balm selections, each with its unique strengths. We'll conclude with our number one choice, so keep watching. OneDTQ Big Forest Beard Balm. This one's a standout for its all-natural, organic ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil. Ideal for nourishing your beard. It has a distinctive woodsy scent, thanks to balsam fir needle oil. Great for those who love a natural forest-like aroma. It's priced higher than some options, but the quality justifies it. Not everyone might be a fan of its strong scent, though. Next, we have 7 Potions Beard Balm. This balm boasts a blend of coconut oil, palm oil, and beeswax, providing a medium hold that's perfect for daily use. The cedarwood and sandalwood oils give it a pleasant, woodsy aroma. However, the complete list of essential oils isn't disclosed, and some users report that peach kernel oil can be slightly drying. For a budget-friendly choice, consider Viking Revolution Original Beard Balm. It's an affordable balm that doesn't skimp on quality, featuring argan oil and mango butter for conditioning. The light hold is complemented by a refreshing citrus scent. Be mindful though, it contains grapeseed oil, which might not be ideal for all beard types, particularly those prone to oiliness. If fragrances aren't your thing, Ranger Culture Unscented Beard Balm is your go-to. It's particularly suited for sensitive skin, offering a strong hold without any scent. The formula includes sweet almond oil, which is rich in nutrients, though there's a slight risk of rancidity. The packaging is simple, focusing more on the product's substance than style. Profit and Tools Beard Balm brings something different to the table with its inclusion of exotic oils like emu and tamanu. Known for their skin healing properties, the scent is neutral, making it versatile for any user. While it's labeled as premium, the overall effectiveness is comparable to other high-quality balms, without being exceptionally superior. Lastly, Scotch Porter All-Natural Beard Balm. This one is a botanical powerhouse, including ingredients like kukui nut oil and silk proteins. Aimed at deep conditioning, it's moderately priced and offers a light hold, which is great for slight styling. However, its blend of oils might be too light for those needing a stronger hold. Each of these balms brings something valuable to the table, but one has risen above in meeting our criteria. After going through each of these impressive contenders, it's time to unveil our top pick. The beard balm that truly stands out from the rest is the OneDTQ Big Forest Beard Balm. Let's break down why it takes the crown. First off, it's the ingredient list that puts it a cut above the rest. We're talking about a formula rich in organic shea butter and coconut oil, known for their deep moisturizing and conditioning properties. Unlike some of the other balms like Viking Revolution and Ranger Co., OneDTQ doesn't include any ingredients like grapeseed oil or sweet almond oil, which can be problematic for certain beard types. The hold is another factor where OneDTQ shines. It offers a medium hold, which is versatile enough for a range of beard styles and lengths. This is a significant advantage over balms with lighter holds, like the Scotch Porter or Viking Revolution balms, making it suitable for both styling and nourishment. Then there's the scent. A robust, woodsy aroma thanks to balsam fir needle oil. This natural, forest-like scent is a clear winner for those who appreciate a masculine fragrance, setting it apart from the more subtle or varied scents of the other balms like Seven Potions or Prophet and Tools. In terms of value, while it's not the cheapest option, the quality of ingredients and the overall effectiveness offer great value for money. It's a clear example of getting what you pay for, and in this case, it's top-notch beard care. So, gentlemen, if you're looking for a beard balm that excels in quality, effectiveness, and overall beard health, the OneDTQ Big Forest Beard Balm is your best bet. It truly is a superior blend for the discerning bearded man. So, there you have it. A rundown of some of the best beard balms you can get your hands on, with OneDTQ Big Forest taking the top spot. Each of these balms has its unique strengths, so choose what resonates with your beard needs and preferences. Remember, a great beard doesn't just happen, it's a result of the right care and the right products. These balms are a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to elevate their beard game. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, no-nonsense advice. Your beard will thank you. And hey, we're always eager to hear from you. Drop us a comment below with your beard care experiences or any products you swear by. Until next time, keep those beards looking sharp and well nourished. And as always, thanks for watching.